Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the D3decompiler_47.dll missing or not found error in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, open Chrome and then click on the search bar and type D3decompiler_47.dll download and then press enter. This will show you multiple websites where the file is available. Now you will see different websites. Then click on the first website. After that, scroll down and you will see a detailed description of the file. Here you need to choose your system version carefully. Make sure you select the correct version based on your Windows architecture, like 32-bit or 64-bit. Then click on Download. After that, scroll down and again click on Download. Now the file will start downloading. After that, open this file. Now right-click on the zip file and then click on Extract All. This step is important because DLL files usually come compressed. Then choose the location and click on Extract. After that, open a new tab in File Explorer. Then click on this PC. Now click on the C drive. Then click on Windows. After that, click on System 32. This is the main folder where system DLL files are stored. Now go back to the old tab. Then cut the extracted DLL file. After that, paste it into the System 32 folder. If it asks for administrator permission, click on Continue. Now you can see the DLL file is placed here. This should fix the missing file error for most applications. After completing this step, try opening your application again, and the error should be resolved. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.